Hey guys, welcome back. You guys have requested this video since a long time. This is gonna be very random because I don't know how to say it. I haven't planned it properly. Yeah, let's get into the video. Like a lot of people have asked me this multiple times. How was your OD's journey? How was it? So what happened was my dad told me about this online auditions and I just randomly sent my video and like my introduction video. I was really not sure about it because first of all मैं physically बिल्कुल fit नहीं थी उस time and मैं थोड़ा बहुत gym करती थी but I wasn't very like मेरे से लग जाएंगे push-ups. मुझे लगता था कि it's very difficult for me to do it because I wasn't a gym freak and I wasn't prepared for ODs at all. तो मैंने ऐसे normally भेज दिया video and I thought वैसे ही rejection आना है तो let's give it a try. And they approved the profile and then so I literally had 3 to 5 days to prepare myself and I tried everything. साथ में push-ups लगाती थी, फिर मैं deadlift लगाया, 1 leg squats लगाना का try किया, फिर दरवाजे में calisthenics का try किया. When I got selected, it was a big shock to me because I wasn't expecting it.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. I am so excited. I am very proud of my daughter.
मम्मी रोएगी वापस. बता दो कैसा लग रहा है.
चाहिए नती से कहाँ?
अच्छा लग
चमड़
रहा
लाए तो घोड़ो तो जुआ.
है. लव यू बोल दो लव यू.
भगवान गड्ढू थी बस.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. अपनी मेहनत रंग लाई.
और अगर नहीं भी होता है, I literally worked really hard in those 3-5 days, but there are other people who have worked so many years for this platform, and I wasn't really sure about it. कि मुझे लगा कि मैं इतने ऐसे 3-4 दिन मेहनत करके तो रोडीज में नहीं जा सकती. It's gonna take a lot of hard work. So we waited for like 2-3 months and then we went for the shoot. We were quarantined for like 21 days and we were all together in the same resort and लड़के अलग थे लड़कियां अलग थी पर हम रात को मिल लेते थे, गेम्स खेलते थे एक दूसरे के साथ. It was quite fun. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरी जर्नी वॉज वेरी पॉजिटिव क्योंकि मेरी 21 दिन में तो किसी से लड़ाई नहीं हुई और जर्नी पे मैंने कोई इतना निखिल सर के अलावा किसी से लड़ाई करी नहीं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट क्योंकि आधे एपिसोड्स आए नहीं थे, 2-3 एपिसोड्स आए थे एंड यू कांट इवन जज पीपल फ्रॉम दोस 2-3 एपिसोड्स दैट यू हैव लाइक 8 days for the shoot and you still you have to survive in the game, you have to talk to people, you have to convince people to save your ass. It was very exhausting. बट जो 21 दिन थे वो मेरे लाइफ के बेस्ट डेज हैं बिकॉज आई लिटरली हैड सो मच फन विद ऑल दोज पीपल. दे all are so talented and great human beings. Actually thankful to this platform because this platform has given me a name. Even my parents are so proud of me after रोडीज has happened to me. कि हम लोग साथ बैठते खाना खाते थे, गेम्स खेलते थे, पत्ते खेलते थे, गाने गाते थे. हमारे पास फोन्स नहीं थे हमारे. Me it was a very surreal feeling and it was a beautiful journey that I'm going to cherish my whole life. So let's talk about the shooting days. So when we started shooting तो मेरा जो first दिन था तो इनकी पहले एंट्री वगैरह की थी क्योंकि obviously they had to introduce me as a wild card contestant. And मुझे 6 घंटे मेरे रूम में छोड़ के चले गए और वहां पर शूटिंग चालू हो गई है तो 6 hours I couldn't sleep, I couldn't breathe properly. I was like कब होगा, मेरे को कब बुलाएंगे. वो 8 दिन कैसे गायब हो गए पता ही नहीं चला. पता है पूरा टाइम प्रेशर होता है आप पे. First of all, you have to make sense when you're talking. समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि भाई पहली बात तो ये लड़ क्यों रहे हैं इतना, किस बात की लड़ाई हो रही है इधर. तो मैं पूरा टाइम ऐसी थी अभी तक तो रूम में ठीक थे लोग. A lot of people have asked me this, that is it a reality show or is it scripted? No guys, it is not scripted. They don't give us any script. You have to be yourself. It's a reality show. People tend to do stupid things because they have that pressure on themselves that I have to look good on the camera, I have to speak, I have to be talkative, I have to fight maybe. So yeah. वो मतलब जो भी वोट आउट्स थे या टास्क थे, ये सब 4-3 घंटे चलती है चीजें. और उसमें से कभी कभी 2 चीजों को मिक्स कर देते, वोट आउट और टास्क को मिक्स करके दिखाते थे. तो उसमें से अगर आपको 1 घंटे का दिखा रहे तो समझो कितना काटा पीटी हो रही होगी. यू कांट जस्ट जज अ पर्सन with that 1 hour. This is how reality shows work. They can actually go against you and they can actually favor you. I had the time of my life. I literally missed the time I had there. And that was recently asked कि आपकी सबसे ज्यादा किससे बनती थी, तो मेरी सबसे ही बनती थी. मैं किसी से लड़ाई मेरी हुई नहीं वहां पर. पूनम, जबी, अभिमन्यु, हामिद, these are the people I talk to, like अभी फिलहाल में. Not regularly, obviously, because everybody is busy with their lives. सबके पास बहुत काम मिल रहा है, चांदी पैसा ही पैसा आ रहा है. तो yeah, they are very busy. Ask me, are you in a relationship with Hamid or Abhimanyu? No guys. Why would I be in a relationship and lie to you? Obviously, I'm gonna tell you now. That's it for today. I'm really grateful for everything I have today, and I'm really grateful for Rodis for giving me all that. I miss it, yeah. जो सवाल है कि give us some tips how to become a roadie. First of all, I was very lucky and fortunate to go there because people have worked really hard for it. Be very strong. You have to be mentally strong. You have to be physically strong, and you have to be open about things. You have to speak. You have to be vocal. नहीं, you have to express yourself. ठीक है, तो चलो काम चल जाता है. मेरा भी खराब ही है, कोई बात नहीं. पर हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत जो आजकल जमाने में हो रहा है वो जान पहचान होना बहुत जरूरी है आपको. Work on your personality. Yeah, so work on yourself, and maybe one day you will be sitting here like me recording yourself. I wish you all the best in life, and hope you like this video and comment on this video, and yeah, cool. Ta-da!